Okay, we're leaving Walmart. I went in Walmart and I bought a camera. I don't know how good it is. Didn't get a chance to do the repair that I went out to do. Grabbed the wrong paint. We're at Walmart in Cape Coral. I don't know why I'm backing up. I could have made that turn. As I'm going across Cape Coral Bridge, or I'm going to it's 9:25. No, I think I'm gonna go through North Fort Myers. I'm gonna go through North Fort Myers. This right here is a four-way stop. I just worry about the guy over in the white truck, where he gonna stop, or where he going to do. And this guy right here in the black truck, he kind of scared me now. This is Payless. I have been in there and bought shoes. But now, look like it. No longer open. Windy. I never know whether that window there is open or closed. This is my new channel that I open up. I hope you like it. If you're watching this video, I would like to thank you for doing so. Please subscribe and comment below what I should be doing or what I should not be doing. But I am going to go on Amazon and look for a camera that I can record videos. I do not want a dash cam. A dash cam, you're only going to be able to record in sections. I don't want a dash cam that I'm only going to be able to record in sections. Coming up on, what's the name of it? Vizcaya. Do I turn here at Vizcaya or I just keep going left? I mean straight. Right now we're at the corner of Vizcaya and Del Prado. Used to have a little car like that. My wife decided to drive it into Burger King. And that was the end of that. But I decided that I would not buy another small car, not down that small. So my last vehicle I bought was about 6 months ago, and it was a SUV, Toyota. I like the way it rides, but I don't like the way it looks. Better slow it down because you're over here in Cape Coral. These cops like to hide in the medium behind trees so they can write you up, so they can give you a ticket. There's a man walking his doggy. Walk your doggy there, man. Walk that doggy. Pay attention, Joe, to what you're doing. Caught it kind of scared me. I didn't know what he was going to do. Getting back to that SUV that I bought, I just don't like the body style. Could have paid another $7,000 or $8,000 to get the body style that I liked. Just a roundabout. I don't like the roundabout. Give me a stoplight. Stoplight is just as good. Somebody cutting down a tree. Cut that tree down, buddy. Right now we over in Cape Coral. We is on Southeast 24th Street. Well, no more work today. I'm going to have to call Dennis and let him know that I did get back over there and caught that. Now, is this car going to stop? Do you see me coming? I am going to have to text Dennis and let him know that I did get back over there and caught that wall. If that don't stop it, I'm going to have to waterproof it. I got some elastomeric, and I will use that to waterproof that roof, that wall, and hopefully that will stop it from leaking. That roof was put on by a new company. They're tearing one off over there, and it looks like it's going to rain. I hope they make it. Well, it's a nice, cool day for that tear off. And it's a day, looks like it's going to rain. I hope they make it. Hancock Bridge Parkway. We're coming up on Hancock Bridge Parkway. Okay, I'm free to go. Man, that really pissed me off the other night. My bowling partner said I was the reason we were losing, because my average was high like them hills. Told me it's a handicap league. He bowling 150, I guess. He's saying I should be bowling 150 also. I don't know what the deal with that. I should have just sat back nothing. Just let it go. But that really pisses me off. Thinking about not even going bowling next Monday night. But I am going to go bowling. I'm going to bowl. Golf cart back there got $20 on. My friend saw that, and he thought the golf cart was for sale for $20. So I explained to him that $20 worth, how much it would be to play around a golf. That was not the price of the golf cart. That was the price for the golf cart. I would buy it. It wouldn't be sitting there now, because it's been out there for what, 2 or 3 years. I don't know why I bought that camera just then. I don't know why I bought what I bought just then at Walmart. I really want something that's gonna sit up on the dash. I'm gonna get over the car. I want to be turning right, left up here on US 41. Just like on the catch me. So he just pulled right out there and didn't even stop. I thought on when the light is red in your face, you stop and then proceed. But he didn't stop. He just pulled right out there. Where's the police when you need him? Hope he wasn't. I don't know where he is. And then again, I know police can't be everywhere at once. Is this one sitting here? No, this guy here probably broke down. Alright, my battery's about dead. So I'm going to turn it off right now. And I'll be coming back at